Hello friends, welcome to our channel RD Learning. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா electrostatics தான். இது நம்மளோட 70th வீடியோ. வாங்க क्वेश्चंस பார்க்கலாம். A capacitor of a capacity is connected to a power source then disconnected from the source and the spacing between its plates is reduced to half. Which of the following quantity is reduced ன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Potential difference C தான். அடுத்து a parallel plate capacitor is charged and the charging battery is then disconnected. If the plates of the capacitor are moved apart by means of insulating handles, then the charge of the capacitor is increased. ஏதான் அடுத்து 1 volt is equal to joule per coulomb. C தான் அடுத்து consider a uniform electric field in the z direction. The potential is for any x of a given z for any y of a given z on the x y plane for a given z. All of these are கேட்டிருக்காங்க. All of these தான் D தான். அடுத்து equipotential surfaces are close in a region of large electric fields compared to region of lower electric fields will be more crowded near sharp edges of a conductor. வந்து both A and B தான். So D the answer. அடுத்து in a region of constant potential both the electric field is 0 and there can be no charge inside the region. D the answer. அடுத்து dielectric constant of a metal is infinite. B தான். அடுத்து when air is replaced by a dielectric medium of a constant K, the maximum force of attraction between two charges separately by a distance decrease K times C தான். அடுத்து in a parallel plate capacitor, the capacitor increases if area of the plate is increased. C தான். அடுத்து a parallel plate air capacitor is charged to a potential difference of volts. After disconnecting the charging battery, the distance between the plate of the capacitor is increased using an insulating handle. As a result, the potential difference between the plate என்ன ஆகும்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. என்ன ஆகும்னா increases. ஏதான். அடுத்து two identical capacitor are joined in a parallel charged to be potential separated and then connected in a series. The positive plate of one is connected to a negative of the other. Which of the following is true ன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. The potential difference between the free plate is 2V. அதான் correct. C தான். அடுத்து a capacitor has some dielectric between its plates and the capacitor is connected to the DC source. The battery is now disconnected. Then the dielectric is removed. Then electric field increases. C தான். அடுத்து number of Faraday tubes of flux passing through a surface in an electric field is called electric flux. ஏதான். அடுத்து for close tolerance which of the following capacitor is usually preferred ன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. mica capacitor. B தான். the unit of volume charge density are coulomb per meter. C the answer. அடுத்து the surface integral of the normal component of the electric displacement D over any closed surface equal to the charge enclosed by the surface. The above statement is associated with Gauss law. ஏதான். அடுத்து paper capacitor usually have a tolerance of plus or minus 10%. B தான். அடுத்து capacitors can be used only for DC electrolytic. D தான். அடுத்து The dielectric constant relative permittivity of a glass is given by 5 to 100. D தான். அடுத்து capacitor are mainly used for radio frequency in air தான். B. Capacitors are used in transistor circuit. Ceramic. A தான். அடுத்து capacitors are used for audio frequency and radio frequency coupling and tuning. Mica. B தான். அடுத்து the inverse of capacitance is called elastance. D தான். அடுத்து when the dielectric is homogeneous the potential gradient is uniform. A தான். The potential gradient across the material of low permittivity is then across the material of high permittivity ன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Greater. B தான். அடுத்து dash field is associated with the capacitor ன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Electric field தான். A தான். Total deficiency or excess of electrons in a body is known as charge. D தான். அடுத்து the relative permittivity has following units ன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. No units. D தான். The phenomenon of an uncharged body getting charged nearly by the nearestness of the charged body is known as induction. D தான். அடுத்து the value of E within the field due to a point charge can be found with the help of என்ன law? Coulomb's law. C தான். ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், என் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் ஃபார் யுவர் எக்ஸாம்ஸ். தேங்க்யூ.